Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Surfshark to help you keep, your online activity safe and secure. Now, Surfshark is a popular choice among beginners due to its affordable price and user-friendly interface. But a lot of people still get confused on how to navigate a completely new application. So today, I'll guide you on how to effectively utilize Surfshark VPN and explore its many useful features. Now, let's start off this Surfshark tutorial by focusing on the installation process. The process is quick and easy on mobile and Mac OS since it just needs a single click. So instead, I'll be showing you how to set it up on Surfshark VPN on Windows. To get things started, go to the Surfshark homepage and click on Get Surfshark, which will take you to the checkout page where you'll need to choose your preferred plan. Here you'll have 3 plans to choose from, but if you click the link in the description down below, you'll get the best deal available on the internet right now, with Surfshark offering a coupon code for fans of our channel that'll give you 3 free months in total, saving you 83%. So don't miss out on this very special deal, which is limited, so go take advantage of that. Now, after you're done with the login process, head to Surfshark download page and click on the Windows logo to download the installation file. Once it's downloaded, double click the file and follow the steps, and you won't need a detailed guide for this part. One thing that's worth mentioning is that you don't have to worry about device limits. A single Surfshark account can be used across multiple devices, making it convenient to share with family and friends. Now, this generosity sets Surfshark apart from its competitors like NordVPN, which limits you to 6 devices, or ExpressVPN, which allows only 5 devices per account. So now that you have the app installed, let's delve into the understanding, on how to use Surfshark. After launching the app and logging in, the quickest way to establish a VPN connection is to use the Quick Connect feature. All you have to do is click on the corresponding button and Surfshark will automatically connect you to the nearest and fastest server. But what if you want to choose a specific server? Surfshark gives you the option to choose from a list of 100 different countries that cover over 3,200 servers. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the country you're connected to and your newly assigned IP address by Surfshark. Now, if you're unsure whether your IP address has been changed, let me show you how to use a VPN leak checker to check. Now, you can find this tool on Surfshark's website and use it to ensure there are no leaks and that your IP address actually changed. So Surfshark also uses WireGuard, which is the fastest protocol that guarantees the fastest speeds possible. But if it's not selected, you can easily change it in the settings. Now that you understand how to use Surfshark on your PC, you might be wondering how you can use it for streaming. Now, if you want to watch content from any other country in the world, you can just choose a server from that specific country and connect to it, and voila, you can start watching content. So by doing that, you can now find and watch content from that country as if you're actually there. This method usually works, but in case it actually doesn't, then refreshing the connection or changing servers usually solves the issue. When it comes to watching shows in HD, good performance is typically necessary, and Surfshark offers consistent speeds that allow smooth streaming without any issues. And the great news is that on top of all of that, if you're interested in torrenting, Surfshark has no P2P limits whatsoever. Now, every server can be utilized for downloading files through torrents. And in my personal experience, the download speed with Surfshark was very, very impressive. You can easily connect to a server before initiating a download or use the bypasser feature, which is a form of a split tunneling. Now, I frequently use this feature so that I can browse the internet normally while my torrenting application remains connected to the VPN server. And that concludes the basic tutorial on how to use Surfshark. Now, there's something that I have to tell you guys that it's worth mentioning here, which is Surfshark has much more to offer. Even on the main screen, you'll find options to access multi-hop servers, which reroute your connection through 2 consecutive servers for enhanced security. The static IP feature provides you with a permanent IP address, which is useful for websites that track user IPs, such as specific streaming platforms. So with static IP, your chances of being banned by such websites are significantly reduced. And added to that, the dedicated IP option takes it a step further by giving you an IP address exclusive to your usage, which is rare to find among VPN providers. Now, plus, please note that this feature comes at an additional cost. first. While browsing through the main menu and settings, you have the option to enable a few more features. For example, I use Clean Web to block online ads and trackers, which also alerts me of any malicious websites. Another important feature is the kill switch, which ensures that your IP is not accidentally leaked. It automatically disables the internet connection in the event of a VPN failure, safeguarding your privacy until the connection, well, is re-established. Also, there are advanced security features that can help make your life a lot easier. So if you need to restrict access to your files from other devices on your local network, you can turn on the invisible on LAN feature with just one click. There's also the rotating IP functionality, which lets you change your IP address without interrupting the VPN connection, effectively avoiding cross-site tracking. And last but not least, the no borders mode is usually useful if you're in a country with online censorship or VPN restrictions. It conceals your online activity and thwarts any attempts to expose it. Now let's talk about Surfshark's paid add-on, Surfshark One. It includes antivirus protection on top of their security tools, but bear in mind that Surfshark offers a decent antivirus solution without the need of a separate subscription. All in all, Surfshark is a user-friendly VPN with a lot of straightforward features. The app offers brief explanations for each feature, and it also is reasonable price compared to its top grade competitors. So for beginners, Surfshark could be one of the best choices available. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find a link to an exclusive discount as well as other related content in the description down below. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.